Meet the K18 encoder knob, designed for precision rotary encoder control. Available in 3 weight options: light, 35-gram medium, and 50-gram heavy. Choose the inertia and tactile response to suit your application. The heavier versions deliver a smooth, premium feel, similar to high-end solid metal knobs. Dual finger location design, fast spin or fine, precise adjustment. Mounting options include push fit or screw fix, with multiple shaft fitting choices available. Available in 3 colors: black, white, and gray. Ideal for mixing consoles, broadcast equipment, laboratory instruments, industrial control panels, and embedded user interfaces. The K18, engineered for feel, built for control.